So here we have a gardening pitchfork. This is a heavy duty, high quality, and pretty nice looking pitchfork. It's great for digging, garden borders, turning, aerating soil in garden beds. It's made of a strong steel construction. The tins are made of mirror polished stainless steel, and it's ideal for moist soil and moist materials. It's over welded to the crossbar for extra strength and prevents the tins from snapping off. And you'll be working with a very comfortable D-grip handle. This is a FSC certified ash handle, and it's attached via the base via extra long riveted strapped socket that introduces strength and an element of flex at this key joint, which gives you excellent leverage to the lower handle to lift heavier loads with ease. And also that helps saves your back. Now we're dealing with a product size of a total length of 43 inches. The width of the forks is 6 inches. The length of the forks are 11 inches. It's got a good length, which is easy to use, which saves you from bending your back and gives you a pretty good leverage. Its high durability rating because of 3 heavy-duty steel rivets that reinforce the assembly of the head and handle. The pointed steel tins are 4 diamond shape. Comes with mirror polish, which looks attractive and helps with performance. This is a solid forged stainless steel head. Now it's very easy to work with. As you can see, I'm making quick work of this old petrified or rotted cork style log, and it's tearing it apart with ease and just using the weight of the pitchfork and its design. It's just getting the job done very easy. So not only is this a very attractive pitchfork, it's a real hardcore tool that if you're looking for an item like this, you probably can't go wrong with this pitchfork.